Venom. What? Venom. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Chanel and my channel is about beauty, like family vlogs and lifestyle. So today's video, as you can see on the title, it is a unboxing video, you guys. So we have some JUVIA'S palette eyeshadow, and I have we're just gonna see what I got. We're just gonna see what I got because the eyeshadow is on sale right now, you guys, and you know I had to pick up another shade so we can do some more looks, you know, and it's a whole bunch of more videos coming because after this video I'm gonna be filming how to do a nice eyeshadow look with this palette. So let's get into the video and unbox this beautiful work of art. Okay guys, so let's get into this unboxing by JUVIA'S palettes. I hope y'all didn't see my address, but yeah, so let's get into it. I thought the eyeshadow is 30 shades, so I thought it would have been bigger, but I don't know how much bigger I really expected. Let's see how big it is. I did not open it yet. I literally ordered it like 2 days ago and it came really fast. It was a sale, so let's get into this JUVIA'S palette. I said palace. It's place. I don't know why I always do that. I've been saying palace, place. I don't know. So, like I say, you guys, I got a foundation brush. Okay, so she packed it good for your girl. You know. Okay, so the first thing we got, ooh, it is kind of big though, is the I think this is the new Wahanda 2. Am I saying it right, you guys? I hope I am. Please don't come for me, but it's so pretty, you guys. I wanted the other one. I think I'm going to get the other one the next time it gets on sale. Because you know we love a sale. But yes, let's get into it because I love the little packaging and everything. It's so cute, the box. I never open the boxes right, so let me be careful with these scissors. Ooh. Okay. I get so excited, you guys. Oh, it got some bubble wrap. It's so pretty. I love the pink and blue color. Like, I love the pink and blue color. This is the new eyeshadow palette, by the way. And I'm going to be swatching them, too. So, we're going to have a little swashy. Ooh, it's so pretty. All of the shades are beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But I just want it to be bigger because it looks so much bigger online. Is it giving? I love it though. Okay, so let's swatch it. So other than this, right? Before we swatch all of these shades on my hand right here, I want to show you guys the foundation brush that was on sale for $6 right now, you guys. I'm gonna be putting this video out like tomorrow, so you could probably still get this sale. Okay, this foundation brush is hefty. It's heavy. Okay, and I love it. Something told me, get this foundation brush. Oh my god, it's so sturdy, y'all. Look at how big and JUVIA. You get what I'm saying? You just pack that in, baby. I'm using a Real Techniques brush right now, but we're definitely going to try this in my next makeup video that's coming out. Go check that out, because it's going to be coming out probably the next day. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, okay? Because these videos is coming back after back. So we have the foundation brush from JUVIA'S palette. Let me show. Thank you, daughter. So this brush is very sturdy. It's, you know, kind of thick, and it's just, oh, it's giving life to the foundation. We're going to see how this works. Remember, we have to pat that in. So this is the perfect brush to do so. So I love this brush for $6. I think her set is usually like, it was on sale for 20-something dollars. It's probably like 40-something for the brush set. That's going to stay right there until she, you know, holla at your girl, send it. Let's cooperate. You know? Let's wash these shades, you guys. So, the first shade we're going to be swatching is this Fame. It's called Fame. And I love on this palette that all of the names are right under the eyeshadow, because my other palettes, it don't have the names on it. So that's really cool. So this is Fame, you guys. So I'm gonna swatch this on my hand right here. It's beautiful. I really love this shade. I don't know if you guys can see. That is beautiful. So the next shade is Nawa'o. Okay, so we're gonna dip in with a clean finger, and we're going into Nawa'o. Oh, Nawa'o. Oh my God. They're so pigmented, you guys. I love this eyeshadow. I love JUVIA'S. Oh my God. Every sale, I'm going to run them down. If it's not a sale, I don't know about running them down. I ain't going to lie. Your girl is on a budget. Okay, so the next shade we're going to go into next to Nawa'o is Dream. And that's a beautiful shade too. Oh my God. That is so gorgeous. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, because I am swatching my shades for y'all, okay? It's my babies. And we're gonna go into, oh my God, these names. I don't even want to try to say it. So it's EGBAMI. Y'all could drop a comment if y'all know what that is. But this is that. Oh, look at that shade, y'all. It's so pretty. Look at that. Then the other one that I really am trying to use for a blush is Wasted. I was just looking at Wasted. Wasted is over here. Wasted is so pretty. Oh my God. I don't have no more fingers. Wasted. Ooh, you know the orange look good for blushes for my complexion. And then the other one we're gonna go into is Fake. Oh, okay. Let's go into Fake. We gonna switch hands. Let's go into Fake. So that's like a chrome, because if you look at the color, it don't really come out this last color right here. And that color is amazing. Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God, you guys. I love this eyeshadow palette. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so awesome. So then we're going to go into greedy. Because I am greedy. That's so okay, guys. So don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. So let's finish swatching. So we're up to Wicked. I had to, you know, rinse my hands off. And now we're gonna, this is Wicked. There's a lot of blues, I noticed. Blues and purples. So that is Wicked. Oh, Wicked is so pretty. Then we're gonna go into Goals. Now Goals is like a glittery, oh my God, look at that, you guys. Look at that glitter. It's beautiful. Don't mind my nails, no makeup, my hair, everything is just, it's hot in New York, okay? Look at that. What is that? Goals? That is definitely the right name for this eyeshadow. It's giving Goals, okay? So pretty. I love Goals. I can't wait to really put this look together for you guys. And don't forget, makeup tutorial coming next with this eyeshadow palette, because baby, I think I want to do like a cut crease, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's just try to do a couple more shades, because it's literally 30 shades, you guys. I don't know if you want to see all 30 shades, but this is Venom. What? Venom, okay. Venom. Venom is given. Okay, and then we have 419. Look at 419, you guys. That's cute too. Ooh. Okay, then Too Much is really, really pretty. This one, this end one right here, Too Much is Too Much. Is really pink and pretty. Summer colors. I'm gonna order another one soon, so we're gonna do another unboxing. Stay tuned for that. And that is Too Much. Look at Too Much. Ooh, too much. Oh, too much, girl. Okay, so Shakira. So this is Shakira. We're going straight to her. Oh, Shakira is like a white, pretty shade, silver. Then we have, oh, Lord, Dope. Dope is pretty. Let's do Dope. So, moral of the story, get you a JUVIA'S paste palette. Because it's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Like, oh my God. Look at these shades. It's to die for. So this was on sale for $24, you guys. If you know, this is really retails for $38 or $36. Go get you one. Go get you one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is my end of my video, you guys. Yeah, stay tuned for the next makeup tutorial.